Miss Gizelda, tap right there so, before we start. His how you never tell me say then finally I fix he bridge down a road. Look from that the bridge they pop down. From me granny was a gal. People have to hackle up themselves every day. You know you see little picnic them from all out of page or have to take 2 vehicles. And not to mention it, we as little church goers have to walk so far all up a field when we are go up a good old church. Around a Methodist church. But Miss Gizelda, remember me did tell you, one selection call, you know, bridge have to fix. They think we fool, you know. But me is no clafisha. As a matter of fact, me wish election did keep every year. Cause at the only time we see things that get done in our little district. After this, me wouldn't mind if they fix the road if go up a field hill. Cause when you go up a Kelly lad, fi me knee bone them feel like them a mash up. What you say? If me a vote? Of course me a vote, Miss Gizelda. Me is voting for Jamaica. Hold on. My people is who no voting for. Drop a line below and make me hear. Miss Gizelda? Then time. I hang up, you hang up on me.